For this video, I'm just going to go over some of the basic rules for algebra. So when we're looking at a sum like this, x plus 8, what the x means is an unknown value. So imagine I go to the shop and I buy 8 apples, but I didn't tell you how many bananas I bought. We would give the letter x to show that it is a value of something. I did buy some amount of bananas, but I haven't told you how many I have bought. So we can give it the letter x. We could also use, rather than the letter x, we could also use y, a, b, and c. But this would be all different values. So x could be equal to the amount of apples I bought. Y could be bananas. A could be oranges. They would be different values. When we're looking at the first one, when we're adding x's together, so x plus x plus x, you can just add them as 3x. So we have 1x, 2x's, 3x's. So our answer here is 3x. If we were looking at 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b, that would be 2 times a, which is 2a, multiplied by b, which is 2ab. 2ab means the exact same thing as 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. It's a shorter way of writing it. Equally, if I said we had 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y, it would be 3xy. For the next one, we have 4 multiplied by x multiplied by y and then multiplied by 3. So let's start with the first bit. 4 multiplied by x is 4x. Multiply then by the y is 4xy. And then multiply that by 3. So 4xy multiplied by 3. So you just have to multiply the 3 and the 4. So you'll get 12xy. Finally, for if we have 3 letters in our sum, so A, B, and C, same rules applies to the last one. 2 multiplied by A is just 2A. Then 2A multiplied by B is 2AB. And 2AB multiplied by C is 2ABC. So it just means you can get rid of the multiplication signs, remove them, and you'll get 2ABC. If you see x as well, that is the same as writing 1x. It's just a quicker way of writing it. So let's go through some examples of this. First of all, the key word we are asked for in this question is to simplify. I'm just trying to make what seems like a long sum into a shorter one. And we need to add like terms. So like terms, we need to add x's together. And we need to add y's together. Equally, it could be adding the a's together, the b's together, whatever are like terms. So let's look at the first one. Here we have x, or it's the same thing as saying 1x plus 2x plus 3y plus 5y. So we are going to first of all add the x's together. 1x plus another 2x equals 3x. Plus 3y plus 5y. If I have 3 of something and I add another 5, we add them together. So that would be 8y. 3x plus 8y. Here I have added the x's together. So 1x plus 2x to get me 3x. Then I just brought down my plus sign and I added the y's together. So I have 3y plus 5y to give me 8y. Can we make that sum any more simpler? No. We have added all the y's together. We have added all the x together. You can't add an x and a y. If you multiply an x and a y, so 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b will give you 3ab. But if it's adding, so 3x plus a plus b, you cannot write it in short. So it would still be 3x plus a plus b. Okay, it's only when you see the multiplication that you can write it short like this. You cannot use it when it's addition. So this is the shortest we can write this. 3x plus 8y. Let's do the next one again. So here we have 3a is one like term. We have a minus a here. We have and a 2a. So these 3a minus a and plus 2a are all a's. So we can write them together. 3a minus a plus 2a. Then let's look at the remainder. So we have plus 4b plus 2b. So I just rearrange that math sum. So let's look at what we have in red, the a's first of all. 3a minus a is 2a plus 2a. 2a plus another 2a is 4a. Then we have plus 4b plus 2b, so we can go just add them together. So that will give us, if you have 4b and add another 2b to it, you'll have 6b, and you'll have 4a plus 6b. And that is the final answer. We have now added all the a's together and all the b's together. Let's have another look at another sum. So if we were to look at question 3, part 6. Here we have x plus y plus 3x plus 2y. So we have an x. We have another plus 3x, so we can put them on one side. X plus 3x. And then we have plus y plus 2y. Plus y plus 2y. Let's add the x's together. We have 3x plus x, which will give us 4x, plus y plus 2y, so that's 1y plus another 2y, so that'll be plus 3y. And that's it simplified. That will be the same for each one of these questions. You can use the same method. Add the like terms. So practice some of these to do that.